Are you the kind of person who's trying to continuously improve themselves each day by instilling attributes and by acquiring skills that will allow them to move ahead in life? How much are you focusing on becoming more creative and a problem solver? Hi, my name is Arjun Chaudhary and welcome to Mission Happiness. Over the past so many years, having lived in various cities and been part of different working environments, what I've noticed is that individuals who are more creative and who are able to come up with solutions to problems more quickly are the ones who always have a slight edge and get a lot of respect and admiration from people around them. There's a saying that the bigger the problem you are able to solve, the greater the asset you are. Let us take the example of the engineering profession. You see, in this world, there are two types of engineers, Type 1 and Type 2. Type 1 are those engineers who are very good at following a step-by-step process and coming to a solution. Similar to, for example, following a recipe like baking a cake. And Type 2 engineers are those who are constantly trying to find ways of reducing the number of steps and getting to the solution more quickly. They are the more creative individuals and who practice the so-called out-of-box thinking. Now, if you fall into the Type 1, you should ask yourself, what can I do to transition into Type 2 to increase the level of success and happiness in my life? Now, one of the strategies some of the most successful entrepreneurs around the world recommend to facilitate this transition process is to ask yourself these questions each day. So you ask yourself, have I done something today to add to the problems of people around me? Or have I done something today to eliminate the problems of people around me, whether it is your co-workers, your neighbors, and so on and so forth? By asking these questions each day, you're essentially putting your mind into a state and into a pattern where you're constantly thinking of solutions. Initially, this process might take a lot of mental energy, but if you practice it on a daily basis, eventually it will become a natural act. In fact, there are many successful people around there who maintain an Excel document in their computer, and before going to bed each night, they sort of fill out this Excel document by giving themselves a score between 1 to 10 by rating their creative and problem-solving performance for that day. You could do the same. Remember, happiness is the key to success. I'll talk to you soon.